All right, guys, so we have a Brother MFC-L2750DW printer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the drum level. Mine is at 20%. I need to reset it, and sometimes even if you replace a drum and get a new one from Brother brand or another brand, you will need to reset it, and I'll show you how to quickly do that. First thing that you want to make sure is that when you put in a new drum, you removed all packaging that was with it. And also this arrow right here, it's very important that it's facing another arrow on the drum. So this tab moves back and forth. You want to make sure it's facing this arrow over here. Here's a quicker or a closer look at it. So if it's like this, it's going to leave lines on your prints. Make sure it's facing the other arrow. And after you install the new drum, or even if you just feel like you want to keep on using the drum that you have, you can still reset it. So close this front cover. I don't always use genuine Brother supplies on my printers, and they work well. I'm going to leave a product link down in the description for an aftermarket model and also the genuine Brother model. It's going to have a significant price difference, so check that out. You can get a drum from a different brand that's like a remanufactured off of Amazon or eBay for under $20. Also, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other printer related content. This is going to apply to printers that are similar to this with a similar display, and I'll list all the printer models down in the description also. So here we are at our main screen. We have the toner level right here. That's where we would check the toner life and to send the test print through. If you have the drum reset error right here, make sure you exit out so we can continue on to this screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold this toner button on the screen for about 8 seconds. So go ahead and just tap on it. When the screen changed, brightness, that means you pressed it. So about 8 seconds in, so under 10 seconds, you should be able to see the screen change. Let's try this again. So I guess I was not pressing. So this is the one that I need to. It's kind of like hidden in the corners. That's why you kind of have to push closer to the edge here. So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, 5 seconds in. Now we see the drum with the percentage level right here. We're going to go ahead and press that. And it's asking if we want to reset the drum. We're going to go ahead and press yes. Now the drum has been reset. If you go ahead and press that toner button again and hold it for, it was 5 seconds. Yeah. Now you can see that our drum is at 100%. So we're ready to do more printing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and have yourself a great day.